Hey there, super learners! Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an amazing topic for you. We're going to learn all about Phonics Adventure, the sound of S. Are you excited? I know I am. Let's get started. Welcome, friends. Today we're going to learn all about Phonics Adventure, the sound of S. This is going to be so much fun. Are you ready to discover some amazing things? Let's start our adventure. So what exactly is Phonics Adventure, the sound of S? Let me tell you. Phonics Adventure, the sound of S is something really special and interesting. Kids all around the world love learning about it. Let's find out why. Here's an amazing fact about Phonics Adventure, the sound of S. Did you know that Phonics Adventure, the sound of S is one of the most fascinating things in the world? Scientists and explorers have been studying it for a very long time. Let's learn how Phonics Adventure, the sound of S works. It's actually really cool when you think about it. Everything about Phonics Adventure, the sound of S is connected in a special way. Can you guess how? Wow, here's another incredible fact. Phonics Adventure, the sound of S can be found in many different places around the world. Some people travel very far just to learn more about it. Did you know this about Phonics Adventure, the sound of S? It might surprise you. Many things we see every day are connected to Phonics Adventure, the sound of S. Look around you, can you spot any? Let's look at the beautiful colors and shapes related to Phonics Adventure, the sound of S. Nature has made everything so colorful and wonderful. What's your favorite color? Can you see it here? Now let's do a fun activity. Think about Phonics Adventure, the sound of S, and try to draw it on a piece of paper. Use lots of bright colors. Drawing helps us remember what we learn. Scientists have made amazing discoveries about Phonics Adventure, the sound of S. Every year, we learn something new and exciting. Maybe one day, you'll make a discovery too. People all around the world love Phonics Adventure, the sound of S. From big cities to small villages, everyone finds it fascinating. It brings people together in wonderful ways. Quiz time. How much do you remember about Phonics Adventure, the sound of S? Think about all the fun facts we learned today. You're such a smart learner. Give yourself a big round of applause. Let's review what we learned about Phonics Adventure, the sound of S today. We discovered so many amazing things. Remember, learning is an adventure, and you're doing an incredible job. Wow, we learned so many cool things today. You did an amazing job. If you had fun, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next adventure, friends. Bye bye.